Are you seeing "You are using other antivirus providers" message in your Windows Security? When you open Windows Security's virus and threat protection, you see that you're using other antivirus providers, even when you do not have any third-party antivirus installed. In this video, you will see how to fix "You are using other antivirus providers" in Windows Security. Your Windows Defender antivirus shuts off when you install a third-party antivirus. It gives the charge of protection to the third-party antivirus. However, sometimes due to some error, your Windows Defender starts detecting that you have installed a third-party antivirus, and it stops the real-time protection. If that is the case, it could be because of a corrupted Windows Management Instrumentation repository. The WMI repository stores information about system settings and configuration data, including information about Windows Defender's real-time protection. If this repository is corrupted, you might see that "You are using other antivirus providers" error message. Let's see how to fix this issue. Ensure the third-party antivirus is completely removed. The first thing you should do is check if the third-party software you uninstalled recently is gone for good or not. If the uninstallation process abruptly stops and it can't remove its entry from the WMI repository, you will see the error. Most third-party antivirus has their uninstaller. You can search on the internet and download only from the antivirus website. Then use this uninstaller to completely uninstall the antivirus. Restart your PC and check if the error is fixed. Reset Windows Defender. You can try resetting the Windows Defender and see if the error is gone. Click on the Start menu and search for Windows Security, right-click on it and select App Settings. Now, go to the Reset section and reset the app. You can also use the PowerShell to reset the Windows Defender. To do that, right-click on the Start menu and select Terminal Admin. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Now, copy the command from the description and paste it here. Press the Enter button. Now the Windows Defender is reset to factory settings. You can now try opening the Windows Security and see if the "You are using other antivirus providers" error is gone. Enable Windows Defender service. Sometimes the Windows Defender service gets disabled due to conflicts with the previous third-party antivirus. So we can try enabling the Windows Defender service and see if the error is gone. Click on the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now copy the command with the quotes from the description and paste it here. Hit the Enter button. Now try opening the Windows Security. Repair WMI Repository. If you are still seeing the error, you can try repairing the WMI repository. To do that, click on the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now copy the command for repairing WMI from the description. Paste it on the command prompt and hit Enter. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Reset WMI repository. If even after repairing the WMI repository, the Windows Defender is showing you are using other antivirus, you can reset the WMI repository to fix this issue. However, the WMI repository contains essential information about your system, and if you reset it, your PC could get some issues. So you must create a system restore point before resetting the WMI repository. So click on the Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point. Here, select your system drive and click on Create. If the Create button is hidden, you need to click on Configure. Then click Turn on System Protection. Then click on Create and create a restore point. Now, after resetting the WMI, if your PC faces an issue, you can restore to this point. Now run the command prompt as administrator. Copy the Reset WMI command from the description, paste it here, then hit the Enter button. Once the process is complete, restart your system and check if your issue is resolved. Install a third-party antivirus and uninstall it. Another thing you can do is install a third-party antivirus and then uninstall it. This seems contradictory, but it could work for you. When you install a third-party antivirus, Windows Defender detects it and disables the real-time protection. When you uninstall it again, this time it could read correctly that no antivirus is present, so it could start the real-time protection. So you can also try this fix. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below. And share this useful video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.